Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust BMW X3 headlights. First, park your vehicle on a level surface about 25 feet from a wall. This distance is crucial for accurate alignment. Make sure your fuel tank is at least half full to simulate normal driving weight. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape for this simple task. Having the right tools ready makes the process much smoother and quicker. Next, open your BMW X3's hood to reveal the headlight assemblies. You'll be looking for two main adjustment screws on each headlight. The vertical adjustment screw, which controls the up and down movement of the beam, is often a white plastic screw. The horizontal adjustment screw for left and right adjustments is usually a black star-shaped head. Now let's adjust the beam. For vertical alignment, turn the white plastic screw counterclockwise to raise the headlight beam and clockwise to lower it. A good starting point is to aim the low beam cutoff line to be 2 inches below the center of your headlight. For horizontal adjustment, use the black star-shaped screw to center the beam pattern. Remember, small turns make a big difference. After making your adjustments, it's time for a final check. Ensure both headlights are evenly aligned and provide adequate brightness. Take your BMW X3 for a test drive on a dark road to confirm proper illumination and that you're not blinding oncoming traffic. If needed, make small additional tweaks. For more great car tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's black ice, check the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.